Hey YouTube, I just want to give you guys an update on the car. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but I want to show you the state the car is in right now. So right now this is just, let me focus this thing. This is just Rustoleum on it. This is 3 coats. And you can see it's really shiny. So this time I actually mixed the paint with 60% paint and 40% paint thinner, sorry. But yeah, as you can see, it's really glossy. And I haven't even sprayed clear coat yet. I'm gonna spray clear coat probably tomorrow. It's been getting dark earlier now, so it's hard for me to record and do all this at the same time. I'm doing a lot of things in real life, so. But here's the mirrors. Just sprayed a second coat on them. See, they're really glossy. Came out pretty nice. Here's the bumper. It's 3rd coat. Let me fix the focus. There we go. You can see the shine on them. And here's a truck that I actually just painted too. You can see it's really glossy. There's a bug on it. Oh, it's poo or some shit. Put pinstripes. Came out really good. It's shiny. Yeah. This is all using my Harbor Freight gun. Yeah, you can see the gun's leaking a bit. I gotta fix that. Well, I'm gonna buy another gun. But A for Harbor Freight gun and this paint job. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah. Really nice. It's not even sanded. Alright, maybe this will help. There we go. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think. This is 3 coats of Rustoleum paint. And then I'm going to add 2 coats of clear. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Stay tuned, I'm going to also post a video on how I did everything. So yeah, thanks again, guys.